Hi everyone and welcome to our channel where we bring you the top 5 best cameras for beginners of 2023. We have done the research and found the most amazing features and benefits of each camera. You can find the links to each product in the description below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6000. The Sony Alpha A6000 has a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers stunning image quality. It also has a fast hybrid autofocus system that makes it easy to capture sharp, detailed photos and videos. The camera can shoot up to 11 frames per second, which is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. One of the best things about the Sony Alpha A6000 is its compact size. It's small enough to take with you anywhere, but it still has all the features you need to capture amazing photos and videos. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, which makes it easy to share your photos and videos with friends and family. Another great feature of the Sony Alpha A6000 is its tilting LCD screen. This makes it easy to shoot from different angles and get creative with your shots. The camera also has a built-in electronic viewfinder, which is great for shooting in bright sunlight. In conclusion, the Sony Alpha A6000 is an excellent camera that's perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality camera that's easy to use and packed with features. Its compact size, fast autofocus system, and tilting LCD screen make it a great choice for photographers of all levels. Number 4. Nikon D3500. This camera is an entry-level DSLR that is perfect for beginners who want to learn photography. The D3500 has an APS-C CMOS sensor that captures stunning images with great detail. It also has a guide mode that will teach you how to shoot in various situations. The redesigned camera body and grip make the D3500 a much more enjoyable camera to use, and that translates directly to better photos. The D3500 can shoot 1080p and 720p video with frame rates from 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second. Both are considered HD video and are good resolutions for web video. The camera uses frame size rather than resolution. The HDMI settings are in the menu system under the Setup menu, then scroll down to Setup menu of HDMI. There you can set the resolution/frame rate output and the device control. The D3500 is Nikon's cheapest and simplest DSLR, but it's also its lightest, weighing just 415 g, body only, and that's with the battery and a memory card. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable entry-level DSLR that takes great photos and videos, then the Nikon D3500 is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that was released in 2019. It is designed for those who are looking for a compact and lightweight camera that is easy to use and produces great results. The camera has a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and is powered by Nikon's X6 image processor. It has an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which can be expanded up to 204,800. The Z50 has great handling, with a comfortable grip and well-placed controls. It has a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen display that can be used to navigate the camera's menus and settings. The camera also has a built-in electronic viewfinder, EVF, that provides a clear and detailed view of the scene. The autofocus system on the Z50 is fast and accurate, with 209 phase detection AF points covering approximately 90% of the frame. The camera can shoot at up to 11 frames per second with continuous autofocus, making it great for capturing fast-moving subjects. In terms of video performance, the Z50 can shoot 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second. It also has a built-in microphone and supports external microphones for better audio quality. The Z50 is compatible with the FTZ mount adapter, which allows it to use F-mount DSLR lenses. This gives users access to a wide range of lenses that can be used with the camera. In conclusion, the Nikon Z50 is a great camera for those who are looking for a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera that produces great results. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This camera is an ultra-compact DSLR that comes with a 24MP APS-C sensor that has accurate and easy-to-use dual-pixel autofocus. It has great image processing, lens corrections and marvelous high ISO performance. The camera is capable of very similar dynamic range to its 24MP APS-C Canon DSLR stablemates at lower ISO sensitivities. However, it has crappy autofocus performance that can result in soft images. The EOS Rebel SL3/EOS 250D blends a number of tried and tested features with a mount that accepts an endless array of lenses, and its small size, battery life and general performance are all solid. The camera is perfect for beginners who want to learn photography and take high-quality photos. The camera has a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD that makes it easy to take photos from different angles. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to transfer photos wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is an excellent camera for beginners who want to learn photography and take high-quality photos. It has great image processing, lens corrections and marvelous high ISO performance. Number 1. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This camera is a solid starter camera with support for swappable lenses, a stabilized micro Four Thirds sensor, and a big lens catalog backing it up. It sports a 20MP 4/3 sensor and has 121-point contrast detection AF system. It weighs just 383 g without a lens. The camera is a step up from the beginner-focused EPL series, offering more controls, better build quality and a broader feature set. It has support for swappable lenses and a stabilized micro Four Thirds sensor. The camera has 121-point contrast detection AF system which makes it easy to focus on your subject. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is Olympus' answer to cameras like the Panasonic Lumix G100, Fujifilm X-T200 and Sony ZV-1. And it manages to stand out with its classic OMD styling, super compact body. In conclusion, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a great starter camera with plenty of features that will help you take great photos and videos. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn more about photography. And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.